Your client needs proof of insurance. Now, can you deliver in 60 seconds? That used to be my worst nightmare as a small business owner. A client calls, they need proof of insurance before they'll sign, and I'm stuck waiting days for my old insurance company to send over a certificate. I almost lost a contract over it, and if you've been there, you know exactly how that feels. Before we dive in, if you want to check out Next Insurance and grab a special discount, the link is right there in the description below. Definitely worth clicking before you finish watching. So here's what changed everything for me. Next Insurance. This is a business insurance platform built specifically for small business owners, and their standout feature is the ability to generate a certificate of insurance, a COI, instantly. We're talking minutes, not days. You log into their platform or open the mobile app, and you can create a fully customized COI and send it directly to your client, your landlord, whoever needs it, right from your phone. No waiting, no calling an agent, no back and forth. But here's the part that really got me. They have something called a live certificate. Instead of sending a static PDF, you share a digital link. Your client clicks it and can verify your coverage in real time. Policy details, expiration date, additional insureds, all of it live. That's a level of transparency that actually builds trust with the people you work with. The mobile app also lets you view your policy documents, track claims, and manage payments, all in one place. It's genuinely one of the most streamlined insurance experiences I've come across for small businesses. Whether you're a contractor, a freelancer, a consultant, if you ever need to prove your coverage fast, Next Insurance makes it ridiculously easy. So if you're ready to stop scrambling and start closing deals, click the link in the description below to check out Next Insurance and grab your special discount. Don't let a missing certificate cost you your next contract.